Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. This is video number 3 on directed numbers. In the earlier video, we have seen addition and subtraction along with the real life word problem on addition and subtraction with directed numbers. So in this video, we will see the concept of multiplication in terms of directed numbers. So you can see a table here, and how do we read this table? So you multiply plus with plus and the answer is plus, which means plus multiplied by plus is equals to plus. Now if you do plus multiplied by minus, the answer will be minus. Similarly, if you do minus multiplied by plus, the answer is minus. Or minus multiplied by minus, the answer is plus. So in short, if I want to write this in horizontal form, I can say minus multiplied by minus, answer is plus. Or if I want to say plus multiplied by plus, answer is plus. So in short, how can you remember this? You can remember if two signs are same, right? Minus is here, minus is here. Both are same sign. So if you multiply it, answer will be plus. Here also plus multiply by plus, both signs are plus. So answer is plus. So whenever the signs are same and you are multiplying them, the answer will be plus. Whereas if signs are opposite, one is plus, one is minus, then answer will be minus. This is the best way to remember it. So you can see here. Right? So the only way to remember is very easy. When the signs are same and you're multiplying, answer will be plus. But when signs are opposite, like one is minus, other is plus, then answer will be negative. So you can notice here. So let's see how much you understood with the help of these 4 examples here. Number 1, whenever we write bracket, it means we are multiplying with the term outside. So outside the bracket there is negative sign, and inside the bracket it is minus 2. So it means minus is multiplying by minus. So both are same. So answer will be what? Plus and 2. Okay. So let's see the second example. 3 minus bracket minus 2. Now minus will multiply by minus. Usually students make mistake here, and what do? They multiply 3 by 2. 3 is not multiplying. Outside the bracket it is minus. So it will be minus multiplied by minus is plus. So 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. In which case you multiply 3 by 2? That is the case if you have a number like this. There is no sign between 3 and the bracket. When there is no sign between them, now 3 is multiplying by minus 2. And what is the sign of 3? When nothing is written here, it is plus, right? So 3 multiplied by minus 2. This is the meaning of the question. So it will be minus 6. Why? Because 3 is plus. Plus multiplied by minus is minus, and 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now let's do question number 3. Now this is minus 3. Okay. And this plus is multiplying by minus. So signs are opposite. Whenever the signs are opposite, I showed you here, whenever the signs are opposite and bracket mean multiplication, then answer will be minus. So plus multiplied by minus is minus and 2. And we have seen in the previous video, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Right? Do not mix up multiplication with the addition. When sign minus multiplied by minus, answer is plus. But when it is a number, for example, minus 3 minus 2, now they are not multiplying here. You are adding two negative numbers. So this is called minus 5. We have seen in the previous video, when signs are same and we are adding numbers, here it is called two negative numbers, here it is called two positive numbers. So numbers are added and signs are taken whatever is the sign in the question with the numbers. Okay, so coming back to number 4 here, minus 10, now plus, and now this bracket is telling you plus is multiplying by minus. So signs are opposite. Plus multiplied by negative is negative. So minus 10 minus 4 equals to minus 14. If you will understand this concept now, it's very easy. You just have to remember this chart, or you have to remember these 4 examples I have given to you here. So it will be very easy for you. So let's do quickly here the multiplication. I will do with you. So minus 7 multiplied by 2. When no sign is here, it is plus. So it is minus 14. Okay. When it is minus 6 multiplied by minus 3. Both are negative and they are multiplying. So minus minus plus, and 6 3s are 18. Let me write this 14 also on the other side. You can do with me, so it will be a good practice and you will remember then. Then 8 4s are 32. That is straightforward. Now minus 4 multiplied by minus 5. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. When signs are same and they are multiplying, answer is always plus. 5 4s are 20. In case B, minus 4 multiplied by 8 is minus 32. Right? Minus 3 multiplied by 7 is minus 21. Because minus plus is minus, and 7 3 is 21. Achha, by the way, like it is written here, for example, H or anyone, when it is written like this is just to explain to you. Usually in the book, it will be written like this. So this bracket mean they are multiplying. So 3 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 18. Okay, this is the meaning of it. So answer of this is minus 18. And in the last case K, what do you think? What will be the answer? When you multiply 0 by anything, the answer is 0, irrespective, plus, minus, whatever is there. Part C, minus 2 times minus 5 is 10, because both signs are same and they are multiplying, so answer will be plus. Minus 10 into minus 4, 40, very good. Next, minus 7 into minus 2, is it minus 14 or plus 14? Plus 14, because both are negative sign. In L, 8 multiplied by minus 5. Now 8 5s are 40, right? But sign will be what? It will be minus, because one is plus, one is minus. So whenever signs are opposite and you are multiplying, answer is always negative. Let's do division 1. Now in division, I will not do all right now because my focus is multiplication. Rather, let's do this division next time. Okay, let's do multiplication only. So here I have put a quiz sort of question for you. Answers I have given here. So I want you to try. I will just tell you one and I will give you time. You can put the video on pause and try it out. Below are 7 cards, each with a number written on it. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there are four questions given here. Number A, choose 2 suitable cards to make the calculation correct. So you have to put here cards so that answer is 2. Now you have to decide. If you understood plus minus, you can easily solve this question. Similarly, part B, choose 2 cards that will give you the smallest possible answer. Now you need to understand the question here. On the number line, you know, the number on the extreme left is the smallest. So the number here is the smallest. Its magnitude will be big. For example, minus 15, minus 20, minus 30. These are the smallest number. So when questions say find the smallest possible number, what it will be? You have to think from here. Definitely it should be in negative, right? And they are adding. Remember this thing, this plus. So those cards you are adding up, okay? I will show you the answer and then I will discuss with you. Okay, part C. So part C is saying, choose 2 cards that will give an answer of 0. Now this is, I think, easy. whenever there are two same numbers but with opposite sign, for example like this, answer will be 0. For example like this, answer will be 0. So you will think which cards will be added so that your answer is 0. Last part D, choose two cards that will give the greatest possible answer. Now greatest mean it should be on the maximum right side of the number line. So answer has to be positive. And what is happening here? You are subtracting. So what comes in your mind? So let's see the solution. If you want to try yourself, you have not thought it or completed it yet, so you can put the video on pause. But I'm showing you answer here to save the time. So let's have a quick discussion and then we will end this video. So I have to make answer 2 with the help of two cards. Now answer is positive and numbers I am adding up. So what came in my mind? One card should be positive, other card should be negative from the given cards. So 6 plus minus 4, which means 6 plus minus 4. So I have just explained it to you. Plus multiplied by minus will be minus. So this is the meaning of the question. So that's why I got 6 and minus 4. If you see part B, choose two cards that are smallest possible answers. Now smallest possible answer mean it should be negative and magnitude should be big. The value of the numeral should be very big. So I thought, okay, minus 7 and minus 4, because 4 and 7 are bigger numeral and they both have negative number here. So minus 7 plus minus 4. This is the meaning of the card. So minus 7 plus minus is minus 4. Answer will be minus 11. So like this I have filled it up and you can see. So it is a good way to remember things. So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, I will take little more complicated question with the application of multiplication and addition. Please share it with your friends and press like and subscribe button. Take care. Allah Hafiz.